Why do people feel that way?
That's an interesting question. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think probably because it's different, it's unique, it's something that's never been done before. You know, a lot of companies have great products, but they're selling them for 50, 60, 80 bucks, and we're selling them for 18, 20, 24. And it's hard for people to, I guess, grasp how we're doing that. And when we, yeah, so I mean, those companies, especially the network marketing companies, because there's some other companies like Organifi who create some great products, and why they sell them for 60, 70 bucks, probably because they can get it, because there's, you know, there's not really competition for them until now. And I think that we're going to change a lot of things and kind of require a lot of companies to do things a little bit differently. And I think competition is good. I think, and I welcome competition. I think anything that helps the end consumer, the buyer, the little guy, the person who's making the purchase, consuming the products, to help them be able to save money and get a high quality product, get value. Value is really the key word right now, is important. So, yeah, I mean, it's new, it's different, it's unique, and that's probably why it's misunderstood, but it's definitely real. We have the most amazing high quality products, and we make them available for a few dollars above cost, so you guys can actually get them, get benefit from them, and have success, you know, both physically and financially with it.
Yeah, and you're right. There's probably a lot of examples in the marketplace where companies are first to the mainstream market. You know, Yeti coolers comes to mind, right? Now there's a lot of Yeti-like coolers out there for much lower price points, and Organifi might be one of those type of companies. So, but you did mention something. You mentioned something about price points. So how is it possible that we can have such high quality products at such affordable prices from a business perspective?
I mean, right. So again, you look at network marketing companies, and in order to have a compensation plan that pays out what these companies are paying out, 50, 60% in a lot of companies, you know, you make a product for 10 bucks and you're selling it for 60, you pay out half of that, you're at, you know, 30 bucks minus 10. You got to have, the company's got to have a little bit of profit in there. And a lot of these companies have a lot of overhead. They've got a lot of corporate employees. They have a big corporate office. And the company needs to make money. And so that's, yeah, so the way we do it, again, is a little bit different. Instead, we kind of, it's almost like we're pooling our money together to buy these products in bulk, the highest quality. I mean, Ryan formulates them. He does not skimp on ingredients, on quality, on manufacturing, really on anything, so that we can create these amazing products and sell them for, you know, for lower prices than everyone else. And still, we have enough of a profit margin in there to keep the company healthy, and to allow you guys to get the products that you need and to save people money. And then on the membership side, you know, there's a little bit of profit in there as well to run the company. And so again, we run on very thin margins. I mean, right now we've got about 600,000 users as of, you know, about 8 months in since we've launched this power line and compensation plan. And that's not, you know, and we're ordering a ton of inventory. So the company, you know, from a profit loss perspective on selling the product, you know, depending on your accounting practices, this is all numbers stuff. You know, in some accounting practices, it looks like we're making a little bit of money. Some it looks like we're losing because we're spending more on inventory. But it's really not going to be until we get to 1 million, 2 million members that the company is you know, the Ryan and I and Otter at least to get to really take out some good profits. And that's not to say, you know, the company isn't healthy now. It absolutely is. And, you know, we're geared, we're ready to scale for the long term. And the inventory we have, I mean, you guys look at we got 2 warehouses packed with inventory and more on the way. So we're ready to grow, we're ready to scale. And yeah, that's how we roll. We work on low profit margins.